Hi students, welcome to my chemistry class. I am B. Satish Kumar, your lecturer. Today we will discuss a new topic that is called general names of benzene derivatives. This topic is most useful to the students. Why it is a very important topic? Because we have studied so many organic reactions in organic chemistry part. Before going to learn the topic, you have to know the names of the organic compounds. It may help you to better understanding. That is why this topic is most useful to the students. In this presentation, we have covered so many organic benzene derivatives compounds. So let us start our session. See the structures of some compounds. This is called methyl benzene. So it is called, another name is toluene. Generally we will call it as a toluene. So this is called methyl benzene. It is generally obtained by in a Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Benzene reacts with methyl chloride. We will get this compound. This is called a toluene. Another name is methyl benzene. So see this benzene having two methyl groups ortho to each other. So these compounds are called as a orthoxylene. In this compound, two methyl groups are meta to each other. So this is called a meta dimethyl benzene. So another name is metaxylene. Here two methyl groups are 1 and 4 relation. So para to each other. So it is called a para dimethyl benzene. So we will call it as a paraxylene. See the structure of this molecule. Here the three methyl groups present on the benzene ring. The relation between these methyl groups 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 trimethyl benzene compound. So we will call it as a mistylene. See the another compounds we will discuss here. So this compound we have seen the two different groups. One is methyl group, another one is alcohol group. So this compound is a both methyl and alcohol group ortho to each other in this structure. In this structure, methyl and OH group meta to each other. In this case, para to each other. So generally, alkyl phenols are called as a cresols. So we will call it as a, this is called a orthocresol, this is called metacresol, this is called a paracresol. See the another structure is, we have see the another structure is a benzene ring attached to the isopropyl group. So this is called isopropyl benzene. When benzene reacts with propyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, we will get this compound. So this is called isopropyl benzene. So we will call it as a, this compound, another name is cumene. Cumene means it is a isopropyl benzene. Cumene means isopropyl benzene is called a cumene. See the dihydroxy compounds on benzene ring. See this. This is called catechol. So 1, 2 hydroxy benzenes are called catechols. Both hydroxy groups on benzene ortho to each other. This is called 1, 2 relationship. So it is called a catechol. This is case. In this case, we will call it as a, this is a resorcinol. 1, 3 dihydroxy benzene is called a resorcinol, and 1, 4 hydroxy benzene is called a quinol or hydroquinone. You know the phenol structure, benzene attached to the OH group, that compounds are called as a phenols. See this case, phenolic compound having 3 nitro groups. When phenol reacts with a concentration HNO3, we will get a trinitrophenol. This is called trinitrophenol. So this is yellow compound. It is the name is picric acid. Picric acid means trinitrophenol. That means 2, 4, 6. Trinitrophenol is called a picric acid. See the another structures of benzene derivatives. See this benzene ring directly attached to the aldehyde group. That name is called benzaldehyde. Whereas benzene attached to the COCH3 group, this is called acetophenone. The structure of acetophenone is this. Here the benzene ring attached to the CO C6H5 group, so it is called a benzophenone. Here this is called acetophenone, this is called benzophenone. The difference is here the methyl group is attached to the carbonyl group, here the phenyl group attached to the CO group, it is called a benzophenone. See the another structures of benzene derivatives are, this is called benzene attached to the COOH group, so it is called a benzoic acid. It is called a benzoic acid. Benzene attached to the COH group, it is called a benzoic acid. Here benzene attached to the COOR group, so this is called a alkyl benzoate. This is called a ester molecule, RCOR. So it is ester molecule, so it is alkyl benzoate. See the structure, benzene attached to the CONH2 group, so this is called amide group, so the name is benzamide. This is called benzamide structure. See the structure, this is benzene attached to the COCl group, so this is called a benzoyl chloride. This is called benzoyl chloride. See the structure, benzene attached to the cyanide group, this is called cyanobenzene. This is called cyanobenzene. See the another structures of benzene derivatives. See here the benzene ring attached to the OCH3. This is called ROR ether compound. So this name is called anisole. Methoxybenzene is called a anisole compound. Whereas ethoxybenzene is called a ethoxybenzene is also name is a pentatol. What is the name is pentatol? Is the ethoxybenzene is called a pentatol. See the two structures. We have see the difference. This is called benzyl chloride. So this is called benzyl group, C6H5 attached to the CH2 group. That group is called benzyl group. So this is called benzyl chloride. This is a benzene ring attached to the CO group. So this is called benzoyl chloride. This is called benzoyl chloride. This is called benzyl chloride. This is called benzoyl chloride. See the different structures of benzene derivatives here. See here benzene ring attached to the NH2 group. It is a primary amine, aromatic primary amine. So the name is aminobenzene is called a aniline. Aminobenzene is called a aniline. See the structure, benzene group attached to the diazonium chloride, diazo group. So this is called benzene diazonium chloride. See the structure, benzene attached to the NO2 group. This is called nitrobenzene. This is benzene ring attached to the NC. So this is called phenyl isocyanide. This is also another name is carbylamine. So this is called benzene attached to the SH group. This is called thiophenol. This is the benzene thioether. So RSR. So it is called a thioether compound like this. So this is called a benzene thioether. This is called thiophenol. Thiophenol. See the another structure of benzene derivative is, this is called salicylaldehyde. This is called salicylaldehyde. This is another name is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. The name of orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is called salicylaldehyde. See the structure, the benzene ring attached to the COH group and OH group. This is called orthohydroxybenzoic acid. The name is salicylic acid. This is called salicylic acid. Here CHO group is present, salicylaldehyde. COH group is present, so this is called salicylic acid. See the structure, this is called a 1,2 dicarboxyl, benzene dicarboxylic acid. So benzene attached to the two COH groups, two carboxylic acid groups, 1 and 2 position. So this name is, the name of this compound is phthalic acid. See the structure. So two COH groups neighboring to each other, simple heating we will loss of water molecule to form a anhydride. This is called phthalic anhydride. It is a anhydride of phthalic acid, so it is called a phthalic anhydride. Loss of H2O molecule from phthalic acid, we will get this phthalic anhydride. This is called phthalic anhydride. Phthalic anhydride. Here pH is the silent, so we write a name is pH THALA C anhydride. So phthalic anhydride. See this texture. This is called aminobenzoic acid. So the name of aminobenzoic acid is called a anthranylic acid. Anthranylic acid means aminobenzoic acid. Thank you, students.